President Trump's flight to the World Economic Forum in Davos took a dramatic turn over the Atlantic. Air Force One, the flying White House, was forced to return to base just an hour after takeoff. The sudden reversal, tracked live by aviation enthusiasts, sparked global speculation. Was it a threat, a medical emergency, or a mechanical failure? The answer: a technical issue detected by the crew, prompting an immediate, cautious return. The iconic jet landed safely back at Joint Base Andrews. But the night's routine was shattered. The incident highlighted the complexity and pressure of presidential travel, where every detail is scrutinized and every contingency must be ready. For a few tense hours, the world watched, reminded that even the most powerful office is not immune to the unexpected. The detour was more than a travel hiccup. It was a glimpse into the machinery, human and mechanical, that keeps the presidency aloft. For those on board, the first sign of trouble was a flicker. The press cabin lights briefly went out. Soon after, staff quietly informed the press the plane was turning back due to a minor electrical issue. The crew's calm professionalism kept panic at bay, but uncertainty filled the cabin. Strict protocols for presidential safety meant no risks would be taken, even for a minor fault. Once on the ground, the White House travel team sprang into action, transferring luggage, food, and sensitive equipment to the backup jet. The seamless switch ensured President Trump's trip would continue with minimal delay. The operation was a testament to the meticulous planning behind every presidential movement. Even a minor glitch triggers a massive, well-rehearsed response. The journey to Davos was back on track, just a little later than planned. The incident cast a spotlight on Air Force One's aging fleet. 2 Boeing 747s in service since the early 1990s. These aircraft are icons, but decades of service mean more frequent maintenance and a higher risk of technical issues. Replacement has been slow, with Boeing's next generation Air Force One facing delays and cost overruns. Meanwhile, a modern 747-8, gifted by Qatar, is being refitted for presidential use, but it's not ready yet. Integrating a luxury jet into the secure world of presidential transport is a massive undertaking. The current fleet, meticulously maintained, must keep flying until the new planes arrive. Last night's glitch was a reminder. Even the best machines age, and the need for modernization is urgent. The future of presidential air travel is coming, but for now, the old sentinels must hold the line. The world is watching, and the pressure to deliver their successors has never been higher. The White House moved quickly to reassure the public, calling the issue minor and the response cautious. Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt emphasized that the president was never in danger and the schedule would proceed as planned. The backup jet, always on standby, was ready to go. This swift, transparent messaging calmed speculation and projected control. Amid the logistics, Leavitt lightened the mood, joking that the new Qatari jet was sounding better than ever. The quip, quickly picked up by reporters, added a human touch to the night's drama. It subtly acknowledged the need for new planes while keeping the focus forward. In the end, the narrative shifted from crisis to resilience, and a bit of presidential humor. Even before the mid-air drama, Trump's Davos trip was set for high-stakes diplomacy. Tensions with European allies were already high, fueled by his renewed push for the US to acquire Greenland, a move fiercely opposed by Denmark and others. The Greenland controversy, along with threats of new tariffs, rattled global markets, sending the Dow and other indices tumbling. The president's agenda in Davos is packed, with the Greenland issue expected to dominate discussions. Beyond Europe, tensions with Iran and Venezuela and a controversial proposal to replace the UN with a board of peace add to the volatile backdrop. Every move is under scrutiny, with world leaders and investors watching for signs of conflict or compromise. The brief delay only heightened anticipation for Trump's arrival. The world's attention is fixed on Davos, where diplomacy and drama are set to collide. The stakes, political and economic, couldn't be higher. The mid-air turnaround was a story of reassurance, not panic. The Air Force crew's decision to return was a testament to their professionalism and the robust safety culture surrounding the presidency. Redundancies worked, the backup jet was ready, and the president's mission continued with barely a pause. The incident underscored the need to modernize Air Force One as the current jets show their age. For the public, it was a rare look behind the scenes. A reminder of the stakes and the systems that protect the nation's leader. As Trump's backup jet heads for Davos, the message is clear. Resilience and readiness define the presidency. The world will now turn its attention from the mechanics of flight to the turbulence of global diplomacy. The business of the nation moves forward, undaunted by a brief detour in the night sky.